The civet is a small to medium-sized mammal belonging to the family Viverridae, which also includes genets and linsangs. These animals are native to tropical regions in Africa and Asia, and a few species have been introduced to other parts of the world. Known for their distinctive musk scent and cat-like appearance, civets are unique animals that straddle the line between cats and weasels in appearance and behavior. There are over a dozen species of civet, each with its own characteristics, but all share some common features and habits. Here's an in-depth look at civets, covering their physical traits, behaviors, ecological role, and interactions with humans. Civets have slender, elongated bodies, with small heads, pointed snouts, and large eyes that enable them to see well in low light, reflecting their primarily nocturnal lifestyle. Their legs are short, and they have retractable or semi-retractable claws, which help them climb trees with ease. Most species have dense, coarse fur in shades of brown, gray, or black, often marked with spots, stripes, or other patterns. The markings on their coats serve as camouflage, allowing them to blend into their surroundings. Civets are also known for their long, bushy tails, which are often banded or spotted, adding to their striking appearance. One of the most famous features of civets is their musk gland, located near the base of the tail. This gland produces a substance known as civetone, a powerful scent used in the production of perfumes. Civetone has a strong, musky odor, and it has been valued in the perfume industry for centuries as a base note in high-quality perfumes. Civets use their musk to mark territory, attract mates, and communicate with other civets. In the wild, the scent acts as a boundary marker, deterring other civets from entering their territory and reducing the likelihood of confrontations. Civets are omnivorous and have a varied diet that includes fruits, insects, small mammals, birds, and reptiles. Some civet species, such as the African civet, are known to eat carrion, while others prefer fresh prey. They are also known to consume a significant amount of plant material, especially when fruit is abundant. Their diverse diet helps them survive in a wide range of habitats, from dense forests to savannas and even human-modified landscapes. In some areas, they are considered pests for raiding farms and plantations to feed on fruits like coffee cherries and bananas. One of the most well-known connections between civets and humans is through coffee production, specifically the unique and controversial coffee known as kopi luwak, or civet coffee. In this process, Asian palm civets consume coffee cherries and partially digest them, and then excrete the beans. These beans are collected, cleaned, and processed to produce kopi luwak, which is highly valued for its unique flavor profile. The process of digestion is thought to reduce the bitterness of the coffee, producing a smoother, richer flavor. However, this practice has raised ethical concerns, as many civets are kept in captivity under poor conditions for coffee production, leading to calls for more sustainable and humane practices. Civets are generally solitary animals, only coming together during mating season. They communicate with each other through a combination of scent marking, vocalizations, and body language. Civets use their musk to mark territory and signal their presence to potential mates. During encounters with other civets, they may hiss, growl, or spit if they feel threatened. These vocalizations are similar to those of cats and are used as warning signals to avoid physical conflict. Despite their solitary nature, civets are curious and may occasionally interact with other animals or explore human-inhabited areas in search of food. The behavior of civets varies depending on the species and habitat. Some civets, such as the common palm civet, are highly arboreal and spend much of their time in trees, where they hunt for small animals and forage for fruits. Other species, like the African civet, are more terrestrial and prefer to hunt on the ground. Civets are skilled climbers and can navigate tree branches with ease, aided by their retractable claws and flexible bodies. They are also capable swimmers and will take to the water if necessary, though they prefer to avoid it. In terms of reproduction, civets have a relatively long gestation period for their size, lasting around 2 to 3 months. Female civets give birth to litters of 2 to 4 young, which are born blind and helpless. The mother will care for her young in a den, typically located in a secluded area, such as a hollow tree or dense vegetation. The young are weaned after a few months and become independent shortly after. Civets reach sexual maturity at around 1 to 2 years of age, depending on the species. Civets play an important ecological role as seed dispersers in their habitats. By consuming fruits and excreting the seeds in different locations, they help promote plant growth and biodiversity. This process is especially important in tropical forests, where civets contribute to the regeneration of forest ecosystems. Their varied diet also helps to control populations of insects and small animals, making them an integral part of the food web. In the wild, civets face threats from predators such as large birds of prey, snakes, and big cats. They rely on their agility and camouflage to evade these predators, and when cornered, they may use their sharp teeth and claws in self-defense. However, the greatest threat to civets comes from human activities. Habitat destruction, hunting, and the illegal pet trade all pose serious risks to civet populations. In some regions, civets are hunted for their meat, fur, or musk, which is used in traditional medicine. Conservation efforts are essential to protect civet populations and ensure their survival in the wild. Some civet species, such as the binturong, also known as the bearcat, are distinct from other civets due to their larger size and unique characteristics. The binturong is known for its prehensile tail, which it uses to grip branches while climbing, an adaptation that is rare among mammals. This civet has a stockier build and a shaggy coat, giving it a bear-like appearance. Unlike most civets, the binturong has a distinctive scent that smells like buttered popcorn, a result of specific compounds in its urine. The binturong's diet is primarily frugivorous, and it plays a key role in seed dispersal, particularly for fig trees in Southeast Asia. Civets have a long history of interaction with humans, both positive and negative. In addition to their role in coffee production, civets have been kept as exotic pets, although this practice is generally discouraged due to their wild nature and specific care requirements. Civets have also been featured in folklore and traditional beliefs in various cultures. In some parts of Africa, the civet's musk is believed to have protective or medicinal properties, while in Asia, they are sometimes associated with good fortune. However, civets have also been viewed as pests in areas where they damage crops or raid poultry. In recent years, civets have gained attention in the context of zoonotic diseases, as they were identified as potential carriers of the SARS coronavirus. This discovery highlighted the risks associated with wildlife trade and close human-wildlife interactions, particularly in live animal markets where various species are kept in close quarters. Conservationists advocate for stricter regulations on wildlife trade to reduce the risk of disease transmission and protect both human and animal health. Despite the challenges they face, civets remain resilient and adaptable animals. Their ability to thrive in a variety of habitats, from dense jungles to rural farmlands, demonstrates their versatility. Conservation efforts are underway in some areas to protect civet populations and their habitats, with a focus on reducing habitat destruction, controlling hunting, and promoting sustainable practices in industries that use civet-derived products. Public education on the ecological importance of civets is also crucial in fostering appreciation for these unique animals. In conclusion, civets are a remarkable and diverse group of mammals with a wide range of adaptations and behaviors that allow them to survive in various environments. From their role in coffee production to their ecological contributions as seed dispersers, civets have a unique place in both natural ecosystems and human culture. Their distinctive musk, solitary lifestyle, and elusive behavior make them fascinating subjects of study and conservation. Protecting civets and their habitats is essential to maintaining biodiversity and ensuring that these remarkable animals continue to thrive in the wild. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.